Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by defining why you journal Forex trades and what you want to learn. Choose a tool like a spreadsheet, trading journal app, or a plain notebook. Create fields for date, pair, timeframe, entry, exit, size, stop, and fees. Also include tags for strategy, setup, news, emotional state, and screenshots. Set a consistent time to record trades, like immediately after each exit or daily. Commit to at least 10 completed trades, logged before analyzing patterns. Record each trade with precise entry and exit price and exact time. Note position size in units or dollars and risk per trade as 1%. Log stop-loss distance in pips, for example 20 pips, and take profit. Capture screenshots of charts and mark the setup, indicator signals, and news. Include fees, commissions, rollover, and slippage as dollar amounts like. Save raw trade logs and a clean summary to analyze periodically. Schedule a weekly 30-minute review session to evaluate your recent trades. Compute win rate, average risk, average reward, and expectancy across 10 trades. Expectancy example: average win 20, average loss 0, expectancy equals 0 per trade. Highlight recurring mistakes and note one corrective action to implement next week. Track performance by strategy and pair, then prioritize the top 2 approaches. Repeat reviews monthly and update your trading plan with measurable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.